got me lifted, shifted higher than the ceiling. And ooh, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar, how you get.
Hey everyone, welcome to the first video of my declutter series. So this is going to be a series where I clean out my Alex drawers, and I was talking about doing this for a while on my channel. So basically I'm going to take you guys into the makeup room behind me right there. It's a disaster right now, it's a complete mess, and I am going to start cleaning my Alex drawers one by one every single month, and I'm going to be doing a de-stash, and I'm going to be giving stuff away. So if you guys want to be part of the giveaway and future giveaways on my channel, by the way, you can win more than once. If you enter this giveaway, you can still win the next giveaway, etc, etc. So basically all you have to do is follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to DM the winner. I'll probably have this particular giveaway up for maybe till mid-June. I want to say mid-June, June 20th, around there. We'll decide at a later date, but I will message the winner on Instagram, so make sure you are following me. My username is Layla Rosette. Also, if you have Twitter, follow me, because that's where I will be announcing each giveaway. You don't miss a giveaway. So the number one rule obviously is to be subscribed to my channel, and just leave me a comment below, tell me where you're from, and that's pretty much all you have to do to enter this particular giveaway. Let's go ahead and get started on cleaning. If I have anything to add based on the rules or whatever, I will let you guys know in the description box below, or just like as a pinned comment. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is drawer 1 of, I don't know how many, I think 9 altogether. I'm not really sure, I haven't really counted them, but I'm basically going to be throwing my stuff in here. I'm going to be throwing my giveaway stuff in this bag and my garbage into this bag. I know they're tiny, but I'm really hoping that I can get rid of a lot of stuff. So this particular drawer is a mismatch of samples, and these are like backup products that I purchased that I'm still working on the original. So basically I'm just gonna kind of just, you know, take stuff out, declutter. Hopefully I have space for more samples and stuff like that. So this is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I'm keeping that. This is some Kiss lashes. I have eyelash extensions right now, but I'm probably going to be keeping these for the future when I get my eyelashes taken off. This is a MAC mascara. This is a waterproof mascara. I'm going to actually keep this because I'm really curious to try it out. So far I've kept everything. That's not good, but we'll get into more stuff here. So these are just samples of moisturizers. I'm gonna actually give these away to you guys. I have a Time Evolution eye cream. I actually need eye cream. I'm gonna actually keep this particular one. I have a Clarins BB cream tint, whatever it's called. I'm gonna give that away. This is a Biotherm cream. I'm going to also give you guys that. Another Clarins tint. Another Biotherm tint. I believe these are all from London Drugs. So I'm going to throw that in my giveaway pile. There is another Biotherm cream. Throwing that in there as well. I have a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I believe this is a foundation. And I'm going to throw that in the giveaway pile as well. So I'm going to start destashing this basket here. So I have a MAC Candy Yum Yum sample here. I'm going to actually keep this. I really like this perfume, especially for traveling. I have a BB cream here. I might keep this one because I believe I have more in here. I have a MAC mascara sample, and I have eyelash extensions. I won't be able to use this, so I'm going to be throwing that in the giveaway pile. So I have a liquid highlighter and a liquid corrector from Physicians Formula. So the green one isn't even open. I just opened it right now. So I'm going to give this away. That's a corrector. I'm going to keep the highlighter just, you know, for the summer months. I have a, what is this called? A lip smacker. And I actually do need some more chapstick in my bag, so I'm going to be keeping that. I have a MAC strobe cream. This is going to be perfect for the summertime, again, for highlighting and stuff, so I'm keeping this. I have a hand cream sample and I'm probably going to keep that. Have a MAC primer. My skin really doesn't like these MAC primers, so I'm going to be giving that away. I have another chapstick. I'm going to be keeping that. I have a Tony Moly multi-fluid anti-wrinkle, anti-aging sample here. I'm going to be giving that away as well. I have a NARS multiple right here, and I'm probably going to be keeping this for the summer months. I have this Makeup Forever HD powder, and I don't know what to do with this. I'm gonna put that to the side and think about it. I have this Tasha lip balm. I'm gonna actually be keeping this because I'm really excited to be trying this out. I have a Stellar Cosmetics little powder right here. I think this is similar to the Makeup Forever one if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna actually keep this one. I will give the Makeup Forever one to you guys. So that is the HD powder. I also have another MAC primer right here. This is a Natural Radiance base. Again, it doesn't agree with my skin. Giving it away. I have this, which I've had for so long, and I think it's open. It's a primer, and I feel like it's all dried up and whatever, so I'm just going to toss that. I have a Tarte Smooth Operator Illuminizing Serum. I'm going to put that to the side and decide later. I have a Stila 10-in-1 BB cream. I'm going to give this to you guys. I have a Tarte primer right here, and I'm going to give this to you guys as well. Oh my gosh, I really needed this the other day and I didn't know I had a sample of it. So this is my eye makeup remover, so I'm going to keep this. I have a sample, like a blotting paper blush from My Couture. If you guys want this, I'm just going to throw that in the giveaway pile as well. I have a eyelash curler from Belvada. I've actually never used this, and it's just one of those like travel ones. And again, I have false lashes, so I have no use for this, so I'm giving it away. I have this Bare Minerals Light Foundation, whatever thing, and I'm giving this as well. I have a BB cream from Laneige. I was going to say Laneige. This is not Laneige. It's from Leo Ellie. And this is a sample, deluxe sample size. I'm going to give this away to you guys as well. As well as this MAC False Lashes mascara. Giving that away. I have a backup of my highlighter that I always use. And this is from Wet n Wild. I'm keeping this. I have a brush, a foundation brush from Box Cosmetics, and I actually will most likely keep this. So I also have a Too Faced Melted Lippy right here, and this is in the color Melted Peony, and I actually have one of these in my purse. So this is kind of like my backup, but I'm going to give it away to you guys. Have another mascara. This is the They're Real mascara. This is actually my favorite mascara from Sephora, so I'm actually going to keep this for when I don't have eyelash extensions. I'm going to put it in my keep pile. I have High Beam from Benefit. Again, with the summer months rolling along here, I'm going to keep my liquid highlighters. I'm actually probably going to keep this Tarte one as well. So just, you know, illuminizing stuff for the summertime. It's like a, what's that called? So this is kind of like a cleanse off oil from Sephora, and I'm actually going to give this to you guys because I have super oily skin and really I have no use for this. So putting that in my giveaway pile as well. And what else is in here? So I have tools like for depotting lipsticks and stuff. I use this little spoon. And what is this? This is the They're Real remover. Oh, this is like a makeup remover sample. I'm going to give this away as well. And that gets rid of the first basket. I'm going to keep this David's Tea Lippy as well. And there's so much. Okay, so this is the Benefit Benetint sample. I'm going to give this away. This is a MAC lip gloss in the color Pink Lemonade. And when these went on sale, I purchased a bunch of them. So I'm going to be keeping this. This is a Laneige night lip treatment, and you guys know I love my lip treatments. I'm going to be keeping this as well. Let's see. This is another MAC lip gloss in the color Angel, and I'm most likely going to be keeping this as well. This is a NARS illuminizer, liquid illuminizer, and I think this is going to be really good for the summer months as well. Actually, probably going to keep this illuminator. Again, it's another liquid illuminator. I don't know how many liquid illuminators I need, but this is going to be one of them. Ask me at the end of summer how much I used. So these little pouches are from my Dior palettes, and I just keep my sponges and powder puffs in there and stuff, so I'm going to be keeping these. Not that you guys would want powder puffs or anything like that. I have a mascara here. This I got from Dollarama, and it is a blue mascara. Again, with my false lashes, I'm probably not going to be using these anytime soon, so I'm going to throw this in the giveaway pile as well. This is a Snoopy lotion, and I have used this before. I don't know why it's in here. This is just like a hand cream, and I really do like this, so I'm going to be keeping this in my purse. I have a Soft Lips Hello Kitty lip balm here, and this was a gift for my friend, but I already have one, so I'm going to be keeping this just because it's really cute. And then I have a brush. I really need this for my purse. I don't know why I haven't used it yet, but it's one of those like retractable brushes, and I'm in desperate need of one, so keeping that. Let's see what else I have here. So I have these lashes from China. I ordered a bunch of them, and they are just false lashes. Sorry, I do have some lash glue on here because whenever I would use these, I would just put lash glue on the packaging. I also have these two at the bottom, which are just like half lashes. I kind of cut them. I'm going to be giving these away to you guys. And let's see what I have back here. I have these more natural looking lashes, and these are like the same sort of deal. I'm going to be giving these away as well. They're from Taiwan. I have this Murad skincare system sample thing. I'm going to be giving this away as well. And back here I have more powder puffs. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do with these. I literally have so many of them. And nobody uses powder puffs. Everybody uses beauty blenders, right? So I have another pair of Kiss lashes here. I'm actually going to keep these, like I said, for when I get my eyelash extensions removed. So I'm going to be keeping this. I have another one of these like felt Dior bags. You can tell I have a lot of Dior eyeshadows. This is from a Chanel compact. And, ooh, I didn't know this one came with a brush. Well, that's cool. Keeping those. I have another backup of my Wet n Wild highlighter. In this little NARS pouch, I have a bunch of samples, so I'm going to go through that. Wow.
Okay, so I have a Sun Goddess Self Tanner. I'm going to give that to you guys. I have this vitamin C serum. I'll give that as well. I have a Literally BB cream sample. I'm giving that to you guys. I have another Sun Goddess.
I have a MC MAC compact right here. I actually really want to try like a Studio Fix powder, and I'm probably just going to throw that in here. So this is actually limited edition. So yeah, I'm actually going to be keeping this to put some powder in. This I actually purchased from History of Who, and I forgot that I own this, to be honest. It is a lip gloss and lipstick set here. I'm gonna keep this because the packaging is lit. Like, I should probably use that soon. And back here are just random like NARS pouches. This is a Makeup Forever, or sorry, Urban Decay makeup bag. This is actually a really good size. I should really start, you know, using this. I also have a couple mirrors here. One from Anna Sui, which every time I go and stay at a hotel, I never have a mirror. Like, I get really annoyed because I have to use like my small little compact mirrors, and I think that this would be really good for traveling with. So I'm gonna start carrying this around in my travel bag. I have this Smashbox primer. I have tried this like once did not like it, but honestly, like, I'll give it another chance, and if I really don't like it, I will put it in one of my other drawers, like my face drawer, and whenever I destash that, I will give it away if I really don't like it. This right here is a compact from Skin Food. I collect anything peanuts, and I just didn't have a place for this in my face drawer because it is like really full, so when I get to that drawer, you guys are gonna see a big huge destash out of that drawer. So I'm going to keep this around for now. I have this Guerlain primer that I really want to try out, but once I finish my Too Faced primer that I'm currently using, I will probably try this one next. It's the Meteorites primer. Couple of these Kylie, what are these called? These are like the loose highlighters. This box is empty, and then this one actually has something inside. Like I said, this is mostly like stuff I haven't used yet and samples and stuff, so I haven't used this one yet, and I really want to, so I'm gonna keep this around. Little lash card thing. This is for when you're doing your mascara, and if you get it on your face or whatever, this is kind of to stop that from happening. I'm gonna actually give this to you guys because I really don't use lash cards very often. I always thought about it for when I'm doing other people's makeup, but you know, these lashes I totally would give away, but I've used them before and that's kind of gross if you're using somebody else's lashes. So I'm gonna keep those. A lip balm from L'Oreal Hip. Oh my gosh, this thing is so old. Like, I've had this probably since like 2009. I actually like this packaging just to, if I'm depotting a lipstick from MAC or something, I like putting it in these like little glass jars and stuff. So I meant to take the lip balm out of here and kind of clean this out and then depot a lipstick in here, but I haven't really done that yet, but I've kind of kept the packaging around, so I'm gonna still keep that around. So this used to be a mascara, but it's empty now, and I kept the packaging because honestly, I think that this would be really good for my sunglasses or something. Something that doesn't have, like, I don't know if my sunglasses are actually going to fit in here, but it's a really cool, like, little case. So I'm probably going to keep this around. So I have this little peach lip gloss sample from Too Faced. It's so cute. This was, I think, a 100-point perk. I'm going to hold on to that. I'm going to hold on to this lip oil because I already finished one. This is my backup, and this is from Skin Food. Very last couple things in here. This is a lip balm. Really cute, like for your key ring or whatever. It's a little banana. I'm gonna keep that. And then I have two more samples here. I have a Marc Jacobs foundation sample. I'm gonna give that away to you guys, as well as this tomato whitening cream from Skin Food. I'm also gonna give this away to you guys. So my drawer is finally empty. I'm just gonna give this a quick wipe with a baby wipe, and then I'm gonna throw everything back in here, reorganize it, and then I'll show you what is in the giveaway. So this is what the after looks like. This is what's left of my drawer. I feel like there's not a lot in here left over, but this is what it looks like. It's a lot more cleaner now, I feel like, than it was. There's a lot more space for stuff for sure. So this is just like, again, my mismatched drawer, like my backups and all of that good stuff. So maybe once my face drawer is all cleared out, I can move like my two compacts and stuff to make even more space in this drawer, but that's really good so far. I'm very happy with the declutter for this drawer for sure. I can, like I said, fit a lot more stuff in there now. So the next drawer that I'm going to be destashing is my MAC lipsticks. I know you guys are probably really excited for that. My goal is literally to free up a drawer for my highlight palettes and maybe more of my eyeshadow palettes, just because I have a mess of them. My vanity is like disaster right now. Like I don't even know. Like it really is. So I'm not even going to bother showing you guys that because it's embarrassing, but I'm going to show you guys what is in this giveaway. So I'm basically going to show you guys what I decluttered and what I'm going to be giving away. So for my garbage, the only thing I'm really throwing away is this primer. I'm very surprised that I didn't have more stuff to throw out, but okay, so for the giveaway, there's going to be all of this stuff right here. It's mostly samples, so everything is pretty much brand new, and of course all of the mascaras in here are brand new as well. I don't know how I'm going to fit this in a package, you guys. Like, I'm going to need a box or something, but this is all the stuff that I'm going to be giving away. There's a lot of good stuff in here, trust me. So a lot of it's sample size. You get a lot of these MAC primers, and you know, some Too Faced lippies, etc. So Like I said, all you guys have to do to win this giveaway, leave me a comment below saying where you're from as well as your Instagram username. Don't forget your Instagram username. Be following me on Instagram to win this giveaway. So I will annotate a date of when this giveaway is going to end, and yeah, then I will get into cleaning my other drawers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.
Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never